Will I ever be able to know who am I? Or is that supposed to be left blank forever? It teases, it irritates. The ego says, why can't I find out the answer? I must have an answer. It demands. And then there is the examination. Alright. There are two prerequisites for getting a real answer to any question. One, you must not already know the answer. To get an answer, you must not already believe that you know the answer. You remember today, first question we said that our mind is full of beliefs. If you already believe that you know who you are, can you ever really know who you are? But you know so much about who you are. If I don't look towards you and answer you, you will feel awkward. Doesn't that suggest that you know that you are your body? You see, even if I look towards this side and keep speaking, you can still hear what I am saying, but you will not like it. If I am speaking to you, you expect that I must face towards you, right? Doesn't that indicate that you firmly believe yourself to be your body? Because it's your body that's there, right? Otherwise I could look that side also, but your body is not there, so you feel offended. You have deep and firm beliefs about who you are. And when you already know the answer, how can I give you the answer? Can you please first empty yourself of all your beliefs? That was the first prerequisite. I must not believe that I already know the answer. But most of you believe that you already know. The second prerequisite is that there must be a deep urge to know the answer. Such deep urge that you say that I can't sit still till this question is resolved. That I can't sit still till this question is resolved. Do you have such a deep urge? Something will come out of this question for sure. It's a most precious question. It's the most precious question anybody ever asked. Who am I? And going into this question surely is very fruitful. But will you even remember this question after this session is over? After this course is over? If I wait to know the answer, I'll look up the answer and that will stay with me. Yeah? The question is what counts. All answers are worthless. And remember, this question will not give you an answer, it will give you something else. You will not get an answer. You will get something else. Now he is scared. What will I get, sir? Hence, the first thing is to look intelligently at your identities. You have already answered who am I by way of your identities. As you said that you are a father, an Indian, and the rest of it, whatever, I don't know. Now, you are so closely attached to these identities that this who am I has already been answered for you, answered falsely. But those false answers you have believed to be true and you have taken them to heart. First step is see that they are false. And seeing does not mean just saying that alright they are false. No. Their falseness must penetrate deeply. That belief must go away completely. And then you'll realize the truth of this question, who am I? This question can be answered only in a negative sense. This question can be answered only in the sense of who I am not. And when you keep on discounting these away, this I am not, this I am not, this I am not, this I am not, then you are left with just one entity. Which entity? That entity which keeps on discounting everything. This I am not, this I am not. If I am saying this I am not, surely I am somebody who is saying this I am not. That understanding, that is realizing that this I am not, that will remain. And that you may be. But that cannot come from this object. You have to figure that out on your own. On your own. But when you figure that out, I assure you, I really assure you, what you will find will be extremely precious. That is what makes life worth living. And you will be amazed. Amazed. It will be beyond all your expectations. It will beat all your desires. It will be so beautiful, so fulfilling, that you will be just shocked, out of utter joy. But it cannot happen as a borrowed thing. You have to make that effort on your own. Yes, all three of you. You will have to make that effort on your own. I can only urge. I can only give you a little push. But you will have to travel yourselves. Your own intelligence. Yes? Alright.